When it comes to printing transfer paper, it's crucial to have a laser printer that can handle the task without compromising quality. These versatile printers have revolutionized the world of crafting, design, and small-scale printing for transfer paper prints. With exceptional print quality, high-resolution output, user-friendly interfaces, and cost-effective operation, the top laser printers for transfer paper excel in multiple aspects. Their outstanding performance and efficiency make them the ideal choice for all your transfer paper printing needs. If you are looking for the best laser printer for transfer paper to help you create stunning prints with remarkable clarity and vibrancy, you have come to the right place. We have listed the best laser printers for transfer paper and their dominant features so that you can make an informed decision. We have also included the link to each laser printer in the description box, so you can purchase them directly without any kind of discomfiture. Number 1 is the HP LaserJet Enterprise M507X wireless printer. The HP LaserJet Enterprise M507X wireless printer is an outstanding choice for those looking to print transfer paper. With its automatic two-sided printing and robust management system, this black and white laser printer is perfect for businesses in need of reliable, high-speed printing. It is also designed to save up to 29% energy compared to previous models with HP Jet Intelligence Toner. And this monochrome duplex laser printer also offers built-in wireless networking options for easy access to print resources. With its versatile sheet size options of 3x5, 4x6, 5x7, 5x8, and 8.5 x 13 inches, this printer caters to a wide range of printing needs. It offers an impressive max input sheet capacity of 1200, ensuring uninterrupted printing, and delivers exceptional print quality with a maximum resolution of 2400 pi x 600 pi. Whether you're printing professional documents or vibrant graphics, this reliable printer will meet your expectations. The printer also weighs 36.3 pounds and includes several helpful accessories, such as a regulatory flyer, CD replacement, unpack flyer, installation guide, power cord, warranty card, and support flyer/number list. You can avoid surprises like reprints, wasted supplies, and service calls by using original HP 89/89X toner cartridges specifically designed for this monochrome laser printer. If you're interested in this wireless laser printer, check out the link in the description box below.